Okie dokie, we are here right now. We're going to show you how the water box work. The first connection right here is going to be your fresh water connection. You bring in your garden hose, put it under, take the hose out of here, make sure it's tight. To fill the tank in your unit, we're going to have the blue lever to the left. That's to fill your tank with fresh water. Move it up, is going to city water. That means when you hooked up your hose over here, you're going to have the same pressure that you have in your home. It will be direct city water. The next step is this. In this side, is say winterize, is to winterize the unit. And to winterize the unit, what we need to do is take this lever over here, turn it to the left, and right here is going to be a hose with a gallon the antifreezer. You go inside the unit and you turn your pump on and open all the faucets in the bathroom, in the kitchen, in the shower, the toilet, and you let the water run after the water get pink. That's your winterized system. Normal operation is right there, winterize is right there. So to winterize the unit, we put a hose over here for a gallon the antifreezer. We put this lever up and we turn the water pump on to winterize the unit. To de-winterize the unit, the only thing that you have to do is turn the water on and let all the antifreezer run away and you'll be fine. The third over here, you put a garden hose again, and that's to flush the rear tank, is the black tank. This is your flush for the first tank. You have only two because you have only two black tanks. These two lines over here, cold water blue, red hot water, they are only to drain the system. If it's any water, you can see the unit's been winterized. It will come winterized antifreeze out of these two lines. This over here is for your cable connection. This one over here is for a 12-volt connection for your solar panels if you have. Right here you have cold water, hot water. It comes with this little hose over here and it's a quick connection. You just push it and then to take it out, very easy. And that's a hose to rinse your hose or rinse the water box, any need that you need for water. Now we're going to go to the back of the unit and we're going to show you how you open the tanks to drain the black tank and the gray tanks. Okay, right here we have two compartment doors. Number one, number two. In case if the slide out they are closed all the way, you just need to bring this open over here. You open this side, and right here, right in reach, it says sewer and waste. These two, they are the sewers and the waste tanks over here. The only thing you have to do is pull it, and you will drain, and you will drain your sewer tank. The next over there is two more, and it will be the same thing. The first one is going to be sewer, and the next one is going to be your black tank. They call them waste, all black tanks. That's to drain your tanks. The hooked up for your hose is going to be right in front of the jacks. We got another extra safety valve over there, so if in case any tank is leaking, you will not leak it in the highways when you home, when you have your unit park. So we put an extra safety valve. And that's pretty much your whole system for drain your tanks and clean your tank and use your water.